Shut up and sit down.
Welcome back to my little channel. Today, in the Western world, free speech has been delivered a massive blow. Why, do you say? Well, a YouTuber going by the name Count Dankula, yes, I know his real name, but I'm not going to use it because Count Dankula is clear enough, I think, has been found guilty for wrongthink, or not so much wrongthink, actually, in a way, wrong speak. Well, he didn't really speak that much either, but not too long ago, or a few years ago, he made a video where he taught a dog, a pug, you know, barks, small, those kind of things, to do a Nazi salute on commando. You could say that's not funny, and I would probably agree with you, it's not really funny. But is it something you could go to jail for? Well, we don't know if he will actually go to jail, but the judge already decided that it was way wrong. He has been found guilty of being offensive. Now I have to look into the rules and the law of England more, I really do, or Scotland in this matter. But at the same time, this opens the door for everyone out there to destroy everyone you do not like. How do I mean that? Well, let's say you have a problem with a Christian friend of yours. And this Christian friend once said that only Christians go to heaven. Everyone else is damned for eternity. Well, this could be considered offensive, could it not? I mean, if you were a believer, this is something that now can be considered offensive. Because if you and your mates get together and all feel very, very, very uncomfortable because of hearing something like that, you could actually go to the police and say that this Christian insulted you. He insulted you so much that it brought you discomfort and you felt, I don't know, defiled, I don't know. Make anything up. And then you go to the judge, and then the judge, knowing that someone else in Scotland has been sentenced because of making a pug joke, has to take this serious. Imagine this. You have a problem with a Jew. Well, but the Talmud says that killing non-Jews, that's okay. Or you know a Muslim who's in favor of Sharia. Sharia talks about killing the non-believer. Hell, the Quran talks about the non-believer. Me, as a non-believer, I feel very much threatened by this. So, all I need to do now to get a mosque closed is get a group of friends together and basically say this is what they preach. I have to prove that this is what they preach, but that's not so hard because it's in the Quran. Am I in favor of this? No, not really. But this is the door that Scotland has opened in the great United Kingdom. And I am afraid it will not be long before this door will also be opened in the rest of Europe. Basically, free speech died today. I mean, it may retch a little longer, but this is a death knell. There is no more freedom of religion, because what you believe might be offensive to others. There is no more freedom of speech, because when you say something, I might feel offended. Now, we knew that this was coming because in the UK and in Scotland, which is part of the UK, there were already laws which basically could be used to incarcerate men for saying hi to a woman. After all, it's not whether you meant offense, it's whether offense was taken. I wonder how long it will take before we see large group of men standing up, organizing, and basically say, Kate Smurthwaite, yeah, she made a joke and it was really offensive to me. I want her to be put to jail. That imam that spoke over at that mosque, yeah, he said that gay people, well, they should be put to death. That's really offensive to me. I really have a problem with that. Now, don't get me wrong, this is not about how I'm against certain religions or certain people, but this is the door that's been opened. And I'm seriously wondering how long it will take before people will start recognizing that if this door is opened for some people, it is also open for other people. And if it's not open for other people, then it's very clear that government is biased against its own people. So yeah, to me this is a problem. Anyway, this is a small rant. Like, share and subscribe if you feel so inclined. I will put down a link to another YouTube video. I will mirror that video too, to tell you what you can do, what actions you can take to make sure that this does not continue. And as I said, if it does continue, you know what, organize with a group of mates and see who you can incarcerate for sheer stupidity. Because that's the way we go. At least that's the way we've gone in Scotland and probably in the UK and Germany as well. Like, share and subscribe if you feel so inclined, and I hope to see you all next time.